Hello, physics. This is a question about dynamics. A train engine is pulling two cars of the same mass. Determine the ratio of the tension in the coupling of the train engine and the first car and between the first and second car. So this is engine, and this is first car, and this is the second car. So this is pulling. So this is in between this one and in between this one. So we have to find the force here and here. So in between engine and the first car is at F tension 1, and this is first, this is second, this is engine E, and between this one is force tension 2. If the engine is moving with this with acceleration a, and the force is ma, so it's moving in this direction. So applying the Newton's second law, so F is equal to, the force is equal to ma. So if you apply for first here, so this one is that means the force of tension 1 minus the force of tension 2 is equal to ma, Newton's second law. And if you apply here, so here, but there is no force here, so this means the F of tension 2 is equal to ma. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So F of tension 1 minus F of tension 2 is equal to this one ma, but this ma is equal to force tension 2. So this will go on this side. So the force tension 1 is equal to 2 force tension 2, or F tension 1 or F tension 2 is equal to 2. So that means, so this is engine, and this is engine, this is car 1, and this is car 2. So the force on this one, this engine, is more, okay, and this is force tension 1, and this is force tension 2. So this is double on first car, on first car, then second car. That is why it's moving in this direction with the force ma. If it is equal, then it will be stationary. They will be not moving. So this is the question. A train engine is pulling two cars of the same mass. Determine the ratio of the tensions in the coupling of the train engine and the first car and between first and second car. So this will be done by using this Newton's second law and applying to the first point, which is in between this one, and then second point, which is in this one. So first one, you will write the equation, and the second one, write the equation, and then substituting the values, then you will get the ratio of this one. This is force on first coupling, engine and first car, and the force between first car and second car is equal to 2.